Hello, welcome to our channel for R programming. In this video, we will show how to create a diverging bar chart with ggplot2 in R. So we know a diverging bar chart is just a bar plot, but this is plotted horizontally for the values. So this is a typical diverging bar chart between two variables. For the horizontal variable represents usually a categorical variables with different values, and the vertical usually represents another variable for the continuous variable, and it shows the significant difference between the two parts of this value. Usually this is positive and this is negative with different colors and other corresponding settings. So next we will show how to plot such kind of charts in RStudio. So first we have to load library ggplot2. Then in this example we will use the dataset called data_Swiss. Then we set a theme set. So next we will create a variable called province from Swiss dataset. Then create a standardized variable called education say, which is education level minus the mean of this variable, then divided by the standard deviation, and we round to second decimal point. Then create a categorical variable called education type. This variable is actually related to the values of education say, which we have created previously. So if this value less than 0, then we set categorical as below, otherwise it's above. So this which means above 0 and below 0. Then we further transform this variable education say to an ordered variable, because a bar chart, horizontal bar chart, will show the value from the lowest to the highest. So this sorting operation is necessary. So in the end, we transform this province variable as factor value, because we will use this in color setting in bar chart. Then we can plot the values between x is province, which is a categorical variable, and y is this standardized scores for the education. And next is a function called ggplot function. Inside we use a stat, which means statistic, for identity, which means we use real values. Then is option AES, and we will fill this bar chart with education type variable. This is a categorical variable we have created. Then is a scale function plus here name, then label. Label because we use this variable is too categorical, so we add the two labels above average and below average. This will be shown in the legend of this bar chart, and with the value also with the color, different colors. Then next we add a theme for the whole bar chart, and with the label function with a subtitle and a title. So at the end of this plot function, we add coordinate flip, which means this bar chart is horizontally plotted. Then we can run this set of functions. And we zoom. So it's a quite beautiful diverging bar chart for values for the education, say, and province. So you can see positive and the negative part we show in different color, and with the legend here, levels. This is for the province for the different levels. Thanks for watching.